Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to our channel MG Global. Today I am going to present you our most prestigious renowned project in Newtown, Rajarhat. The project is situated just beside EcoSpace IT Hub and just 190 meters from Alia University and Amity University. The project offers you 7.65 acres of land parcel in which we are developing 3 residential towers with magnificent height of ground plus 2 plus podium plus 32 storage. This is our sample apartment of around 1000 square feet carpet area. So let's explore this 3 BHK with all furnitures and fixtures. The project is having excellent connectivity from airport as well. The project offers you an excellent connectivity from Bisho Bangla Gate, and nearest IT park Bisho Bangla Gate is just about 1.3 kilometer from the project. The project located on Newtown Action Area 2 HITCO area, and in this project we are having all modern facilities and amenities, 60 plus luxurious lifestyle amenities we are offering you. And this apartment is having a carpet area of almost 1000 square feet, and we are having greater carpet area also 1050 square feet up to 1050 square feet carpet for 3 BHK. So if you call a super built up area or sellable area, it would be around 1500 square feet for 1050 square feet carpet. So I am mentioning you the carpet area only. So this is your first bedroom. This can be your guest bedroom with this lovely space. You can decorate a lovely dressing unit area just behind this door, and this is your white theme washroom space. This washroom is having an American standard fittings and Jacquard fittings with having a beautiful space with having a size of 8.5 feet by 5 feet. And come and see this luxurious first guest bedroom. So let's come into this guest bedroom with having a size of approximately 13.5 feet by 11 feet. The guest bedroom offers you spacious space, and with this guest bedroom we are having a French style window this side. This is the French style window. As you can see, all the apartments are either 2 side or 3 side open apartments, almost Vastu compliant. The project is being built by one of the most trusted brands in Kolkata. The Eastern India's topmost brand is building this property, and the project is having an RERA handover date for first 2 towers within 2028 December, and the third tower will be handed over in 2029 June, just 6 months back to that. And the builder is committing the handover date before 1 year. So this can be your couch space or living space. It's a separated living space from your dining space. This is a L pattern living cum dining. This is a 4-seater dining. It can be converted into a 6-seater dining space. This is your couch space. You can see it's a beautiful couch space with a center table. This side is your TV unit space. Under this, lot of storage space again. And let's explore your running deck. So running deck is so huge with having a size of 14.9 feet by almost 4.5 feet. So see this running deck. So this is the running deck I am showing you. So this much is the size of this running deck. So now this is the under construction side. Back side of me you can see the entire land parcel is having a size of 7.65 acres in which we are developing only 3 towers, low density project. And the project is offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK spacious one, 2 BHK with 2 toilet, 3 BHK with 2 toilet and 3 BHK with 3 toilet option. This is a 3 BHK with 2 toilet option only. This can be your 6-seater dining, but we have shown you a 4-seater dining table this side. This can be your spacious puja space. You can decorate a puja space over this side, or a lovely crockery set, museum set, or a cupboard space you can decorate. This is your kitchen space. Let's enter to a kitchen. This kitchen offers you a great view of the complex amenities and facilities from this window. Every apartment is having amenities facing either on road facing. This kitchen is having an entirely L pattern countertop, white theme granite counter we have provided with all modern equipments, fittings and fixtures. You can see a double door refrigerator space. It's a cross ventilation window this side, and this is your upper cabinet and lower cabinet. So you can decorate lot of things. You can take inspiration, lot of inspiration from this apartment. And this is your second bedroom. This can be your kids bedroom. This kids bedroom is having a size of almost 12.5 feet by 11.5 feet. Again, with this kids bedroom we are having Another balcony space, you can see this is another balcony space, and this is your cross ventilation window space. So balcony and window, both the side is available, and the kids bedroom comes up with queen size bed. Then also you can see that much of walkable space. You can create a wardrobe space like this. You can have a TV unit like this, or a study table if you want. And come and see your master bedroom. Let's explore your master bedroom. This is a perfectly cozy master bedroom with privacy on the entrance passage, and this master bedroom comes with a spacious, gorgeous size, with having a 15 feet by 11.9 feet size, with a California size king size bed. And this side is your attached balcony with this master bedroom. This is balcony number 4th with master bedroom. So all the bedrooms are having balconies, and this is your cupboard space. You can decorate like this, and with this it's a gorgeous master washroom space with this lovely tiling finishing, and all the fittings and fixtures, again I am saying American standard and Jacquard finishing. Now I am going to discuss about the pricing. Now the pricing starts for 2 BHK, almost 830 square feet carpet area, starts from only 91 lakhs, all inclusive, including car parking, extra charges, GST and everything. And 3 BHK pricing starts from 1.16 CR onwards for 3 BHK plus 2 toilet. The greater option, 3 BHK plus 3 toilet, starts with 1.27 CR onwards, all inclusive onwards. And for 4 BHK, 1450 square feet goes up to 1550 square feet, starts from 1.76 CR, goes up to 2.05 CR. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe our other channel, MG Global Mumbai, MG Global Pune, MG Global Bangalore and MG Global Hyderabad as well. We are offering you lowest price guarantee from our end. We have no service charge at all from our customers. It's absolutely free of cost, and we are offering you a surprise gift on every property purchase from us. Thanks a lot for watching with this video. See you soon on my next video. Jai Hind and goodbye.